just got here. Literally just got here. Had some issues with the door, but I'm here in my studio apartment, Airbnb style, and honestly, I'm by myself for my birthday. It was not supposed to be that way, but things happen, and I booked this Airbnb right in the central of all the things, and I'm just really excited to be here for my birthday, celebrate my 31st, and we shall see what I'm up to. I have no idea what I really have planned besides one thing. Everything else is kind of like out in the open, which honestly, it's great just to not come to a spot and not have a bunch of things to do planned. It's definitely more a chill trip. I'm in a central location where it's easy just to walk or just to take a quick cab ride. All right. Nice shower. Nice tile. Nice size bathroom. Here's the kitchen area. Laundry. Washer. Yeah. They did a little bit of grocery shopping for me, which I appreciate. The TV area. Here's the bed. So cute. So clean. I highly recommend it, especially if it's just by yourself. This is a great location. And guys, look what I just noticed. Happy birthday, Brianna. We wish you a great day and fabulous birthday vacation. So cute. I'm definitely drinking this in here, chilling. It's a vibe. So cute. Back from Simone's restaurant. To be honest, it wasn't that good. Which I'm kind of disappointed.
Is actually firm enough. So normally areas where the ground is actually not firm, if you can palm the ground now, I'll let you feel the difference in texture. So right here in front of me, the tree that I'm pointing at is actually a red mangrove. The way you can kind of tell, once the roots have been wet a bit, it has this reddish brownish color. So if I give it a few seconds, you can actually see how the conch actually come out of it. So give him an early morning wave. He's peeking his eyes now. Come on now. Give me a second now, Gary. Hold on, Gary. I'll explain the whole conch in just a minute. So now he's gonna give you the wave.
I'm going to.
If you wanna come closer, you wanna take a picture with it, or closer if you want.
Is it a claw?
Yeah, this right here is a claw made up of keratin, the same thing your fingernail is made up out of. So if you look at the whole entire shell, you can actually see it's made up of the mineral in the limestone.
That's gross.
You wanna hold it, take a photo?
It's gross, but it tastes really good though.
Like yes and no.
Yeah, you see that nice conch fritters, conch salad.
Oh God. I'll take a selfie.
Oh yeah. There we go. There we go.
No, I'm okay.
Take your picture. You can take your picture. Over here, so them living on the seafloor down there for a long while, they're gonna pop up for air. Sometimes when you see them pop up for air, they're up for about 4 periods before they go back down the final time.
So I'm not very good at doing this, but just got back. I had a great day, great second day. I did a photo shoot for my birthday. I did kayaking. I was able to go with the guide, and it was great because I'm not the best kayaker. And then I came back, so I got my photos actually, so I would be posting for you guys. But I came back, just chilled, watched TV, well, took a shower right away, and just relaxed. And then I went out with my auntie Flo, that's her name. She actually works with Airbnb here. And she took me to the Crunk restaurant, shack, that's what they call it. It was okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna say it was okay. Like, it looked good, like it was good, but I'm not a spicy person. So that's where it really, like, is a thing for me. Like, even though I thought it wasn't gonna be spicy, it was spicy. But, like, the vibe was great. It was really low-key for a Friday. Usually it's packed, but it was good. Nice people. Oh, the beach was beautiful. The sunset was beautiful. And then, you know, honestly, I'm gonna chill for the rest of the night. I've been up since 6 a.m. and I'm just a morning person. So tomorrow my goal is to actually get out, make myself breakfast, and then I'm gonna go right to the beach. And then come back, basically I'll have an early lunch, and then I'm gonna go walk to the shark bite and, you know, go right there. So yeah, day 2 was amazing. So I probably just watched TV and just chill. Like, honestly, this trip is all a chill mode. I'm not rushing. I'm always going this way and this way, and it feels good just to relax. So day 2 is done, and it was a great day, honestly. So I just got done dinner at Shark Bite. It was absolutely delicious. I'm shocked. I got the fettuccine alfredo with blackened chicken. I saw someone have that and I was like, that looks good and looks bomb. And it was big portion. I am absolutely full. They gave me free ice cream because it's my birthday. Well, my birthday weekend. I highly recommend this place. Great price, great portions. Honestly, I was gonna get something to go, like wings or something like that, to go for like later on or something. But I'm so full now. They added 15% gratitude. I gave them extra like $6 more. Cause like, you can't really beat that. They only give you 15%. So I tipped them like additional 30%, whatever. Probably more, but it doesn't matter. It was highly worth it. And yeah. I got a free shot because it's my birthday, and this gorgeous view. It's absolutely gorgeous here.